Hey all, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how you can create a filter. And it's important to create your filters because boards are visual representation of the filters themselves. So on the left side of your navigation bar, you have this option to expand everything. And you also have the option to view all filters. And when you view all the filters, you're not going to be viewing all possible filters within your Jira instance, only the ones that have been shared with you, unless you're the Jira administrator. Click on Create Filter button. You have three options on how you can create your filters. You can go with the basic option in here. If you want to be more advanced, you can use the JQL. Or as a third option, you want to use the AI. For example, I can go in here and I can say I want a project mobile program and it's saying created within the last 30 days. I can remove that, and from here I have this option in here and it's saying, yeah, these are the ones that I want. I want, for example, to only be able to see, well, for this one, not something. I can go in progress. Oh, I don't need to have it. And I have options to add more filters if I want, such as, for example, priority. And I can say, just give me all of the critical ones. And it's going to filter out by the critical ones. And what I can do, save the filter, critical issues, and now I can also choose who are the viewers of this and who are the editors. One note to be taken in here: if you're creating a filter for yourself in order to create some of the dashboards or to create the boards that only you can see, you want the viewers to be private. But you want to share this with someone. You can share this with a project. When this has been shared with a project, when you're creating a board, you have the option to create the board from the existing filter. And when then the existing filter is being shared with a project, people can see that specific filter and the board will be connected within that filter. So you have options in here to choose. You also have the options for the editors themselves. If only you want to change it, you just keep it as it is. If you want more people to be able to do this, you can choose this to be either a specific user, group, or a project itself. When you click on save, it will be automatically start. And when something is started, you can see it in here under the start option. It will say critical issues. And we're done with that. That's great. What else do you have? The another option is creation of the filters with the usage of AI. I can say issues made last week that were medium priority, for example. It's giving us in here, and it's saying from here what it's giving is, it's saying this query is too complex for basic mode. Lasting Intelligence has switched to JQL to improve the results. So this is something that it can be done, but as you can see, nothing came. I can say all bugs that have medium priority. And that's it. It's done with the basic one, and that's it. You're done with that part. I can clear the filters, which is okay. And the last but not least, the JQL. This is the most powerful, but then again, the most advanced one. So what I can do is I can go with project equals, or if I want to have a filter that contains more projects, what I can say is project in. I can open the parentheses in here, and I can say that I want platform development, for example, comma. I want to also have engineering support, and I can say and project those projects, and I can say, for example, resolution is empty. There we go. We got some filtered out things in here. And status, you can say status category equals to done. It's saying none of them. This is good. This is good because if you have some issues that are done but they don't have a resolution on it, that's not a good thing and not the best practice. And you shouldn't leave it like that. We can add here is not empty. And we have a lot of them. And saying the status category is done. Oh, there's a lot of them. More than 1,000. And what I can do is I want to save a filter, for example. And I can say projects, plat, and ENG, done. And I can say who can view this. And I can be, all right, this will be available for the platform development. Everyone can see this. And for example, engineering support, all can see that. And I want one person to do this that I trust very much. Alana can edit this. Save. And another starred filter has been added. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you create the filters in Jira. Don't forget to share, subscribe. See ya. Bye.